I was notified about a week ago that the process would be that PTAC, which is the recommending body to the ITD board, there's 6 members, one from each district. So there's 3 networks within District 4 that we're in, and the other 2 networks in our district are Twin and Burley areas. So I was notified that the PTAC would be getting together, looking at all of these new applications for stimulus money for mobility projects, and making recommendations to the ITD board that they most likely would be following and then passing on to the governor as their recommendation for how that money should be spent. And I was notified that there'd be approximately $18.7 million for the state for mobility projects. So what I was wondering at that time was how PTAC was going to know in our individual areas how to prioritize these projects. And